Did you know many common houseplants can grow in just water? These plants are naturally designed to form roots in constant moisture, meaning you can skip the soil. Just pop your plant cutting in a glass jar or vase and let them thrive. Even some flowering plants like orchids and lotus grow beautifully this way and can live their full lifespan without soil. Plus, growing plants in water is a great way to expand your indoor garden or decorate with unique botanical displays. How to grow plants in water? Many indoor plants can be grown by propagating a cutting in a water-only medium in almost any vessel that will hold water. Glass jars and vases are aesthetically pleasing because they allow you to see the plant's roots. However, glass is prone to algae bloom. You might want to opt for an opaque cover if you are the low-maintenance type of gardener. Make sure to verify the plant's requirements for exposure to light before you give it a home on a windowsill. Different types of plants need varying amounts of exposure to sunlight and some require shade. Change the water regularly. Opt for chlorine-free water when possible, especially if it becomes cloudy or murky. And fertilize your plant with the water-soluble fertilizer at 1/4 strength to provide the nutrients the plants usually absorb from the soil. Today, we will talk about top indoor plants that you can grow in water without much effort at all. Number 1. Lucky bamboo. The hardy stalks of lucky bamboo can become a living centerpiece with no soil required. Growers often train the stalks of lucky bamboo into spirals or oval shapes, and while these extensions don't affect the plant's ability to grow in water, plants can become very top heavy and require more than just water to stay in place. Surround your lucky bamboo with colorful gravel or rocks, adding to the ornamental value and providing some support. Number 2. African violet. Growing African violet leaves in water is usually a good way to create a clone of the parent plant. Choose young, healthy African violet leaves to start new plants. Cut the leaf with about 2 inches of stem and place the leaf in a narrow-necked bottle that keeps the leaf suspended and dry. Roots take about a month to form. Over time, a teeny plantlet will form, complete with its crown. Number 3. Baby's tears. Pinch off a cluster of stems with or without roots and watch how easily this plant adapts to growing in water. Because baby's tears plants grow so many leaves along their stems. Leaves that are constantly submerged may begin to rot. Change the water weekly to remove any leaves floating in the water and allow the water level to drop once roots are well formed. Number 4. Pothos. Pothos is a trailing vine with pointed, heart-shaped green leaves that hails from the South Pacific. Its leaves are sometimes variegated with white, yellow, or pale green. Cut a length of pothos vine with 3 or 4 nodes. Remove the leaves on the lower part of the vine because any leaves left under the water will rot. Number 5. Begonia. The thick, succulent stems of begonias are very forgiving when harvesting the stems to grow in water. Practice with hardy wax begonias, which have very knobby leaf nodes that form roots easily. Even the fancy Rex begonias and tuberous begonias will grow in water, and only a single leaf is necessary to start a whole new plant. Roots can take a couple of months to form, and it's wise to perform weekly water changes to prevent bacteria that can lead to rot. This is all for today. In our next video, we will bring 5 whole new plants that you can grow in water without much effort. Please let us know which plant you already put in water and which plant do you want to learn more.